Why, hello everyone! I'm your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice, or as we like to call it here, Yeehaw! Today's topic is going to answer the question, what is an agent? So, if you ever asked yourself that, stick around because I'll give you the answer. That's the point of the video. Well, to put it simply, for acting, an agent is your partner in crime. They find you auditions, or jobs even, and if you get the part, you give them a percentage of your earnings from it. Yeah, it's really that simple. There are standalone agents and agency companies to choose from around the globe, so there's a pretty good chance that there's at least one near you. The hubs for VO agencies are LA, New York, Seattle, Dallas, London, and Toronto. For my research, those are the cities that have the most agencies jam-packed into one city. So, though that's not to say that you're limited to those cities. There are complete online agencies as well, so it doesn't matter where you live. With that being said, let's go over some more info on agencies. If you contact an agency or one contacts you and says that you need to pay them for their services, it's a scam. Go away, it's a scam. The only time an agency should ever get paid by you is if you get paid for landing a role that they led you to audition for. That's the only time you pay them. You do get signed to an agent or agency, meaning you have to sign a contract with them. This could be for an X amount of time thing or an X amount of auditions thing. The standard contract time is a year and up. But some do offer shorter contracts if you're newer to the business and they do see some potential in you. If you sign with an agent, they really do want you to succeed. They don't sign everybody. After all, they see potential in you. Remember, this is a business partnership. They're not your boss, and you're not theirs. Continuing with that last statement, if no agent or agency will sign you, don't be too hard on yourself. Either you're far too new to the business and have no working experience to this at all, or you just need to work more on your craft. Side tangent. I've seen a lot of posts lately that tell people that VO is not for everyone. I do agree with that slightly, but not completely. If you're passionate and hardworking, but just don't have the skill set, then it's still for you. But if you're just here to brag and try to be better than everyone around you, I hate to say this, but you should probably leave. This industry is pretty tight-knit, so don't be stupid. Stupid? Anyway, I think that's all the info I can give about agencies. Just for real. If they ask for money up front, it's a scam. Run. Well, with that being said, thank you for watching! Have any suggestions or requests for other EVO topics? Leave them in the comments below! Or you can add me on Twitter! It's creating love! Follow me! Please! I'm more than happy to help to the best of my ability. This has been episode number 22 of EVA! Break a leg and go out there and voice act to your heart's content! We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!